Hi, my name is Jean Finley. I'm the Copyright Specialist and Internal Systems Manager for Donald A. Gardner Architects. And part of my job involves the registering of our house plans with the Copyright Office, the registering of our trademarks, and assisting with the protection of our copyrighted works. And protecting our home designs and our trademarks are very important to us. We invest a lot of time and expertise in the creation of the designs, in the creation of the construction documents, and in all the marketing efforts that we put forth to market our plans nationwide, and our plans are sold to other countries as well. The copyright law allows us to have policies in place to protect our plans. Like books, movies, and songs, federal copyright laws protect the intellectual property of architects and home designers by giving the copyright owners protection to their designs. The copyright laws prevent anyone from reproducing or reusing the design without written permission from the copyright owner. There are some common questions that we get asked in regards to our house plans. I'm going to go over a couple of those questions and explain what the answers are for us. First question is, can I just have a local draftsperson or designer create the construction documents without me purchasing the plans? And of course the answer to that is no. You cannot copy a design from a plan book, from the web, or existing homes. The license to build the design or use the design must be purchased. And to receive that license from us, you would have to purchase an 8-set plan package, a 5-set plan package, or an 8-set plan package, and we also have vellums, plans in PDF format, and plans in AutoCAD format. And another question is typical is, but I'm making so many changes to the design, do I have to purchase the plans? Well, even if you make modifications to the design, the plans have to be purchased in order to receive the license to even use the design. There's no formula for the number of changes that can be made that make the design so different. If you create a new design based off of the original plan, then you have to purchase a license to use that design. And some people may ask, what's a derivative work? When you modify a home plan, the new plan is considered a derivative work. And the copyright owner of the original work also owns the copyright of the derivative work. So even if changes are made to a plan, you must pay for the license to build the home. And when displaying that plan with the changes, it's important to also display the copyright notice of the copyright owner of that plan. Another common question is, how many times can I build the home? And it's very common for builders to ask, of course. And all of our plan products include the license to build the home one time. Building the home more than once is an infringement of our copyright. So for builders, we offer a product called a reuse license, and within 2 years of their original plan purchase, they can purchase a reuse license at the fraction of the cost of a plan. And we even have reuse licenses bundled, so if you purchase more than one reuse license at a time, you can receive a discount. And what if you need to make copies of a plan? A common question would be, can I make photocopies? Unless the vellums or the PDF or a CAD is purchased, you cannot make copies. However, we do have additional sets available, and they can be purchased from our customer service department. Another question might be, I'm not going to build the home, could be for various reasons, can't afford to, doesn't fit on the lot, and can I sell the plans to someone else? And the answer to that is that the plans cannot be transferred or resold to another person. You can, of course, loan the plans out to contractors and subcontractors for the purpose of building a home, but they can't be resold. Also, a question is, who is responsible for the copyright infringement? Any party who participates in the infringement is responsible, whether they know the law or not. So even if you don't understand the copyright law, didn't know what you were doing was incorrect, you're still liable and responsible under the law. Some of the penalties for infringement, that's another question. Violators may be required to pay for statutory damages, which can be as high as $150,000 for each violation. or actual damages, including the profits made from the infringement, which would be like from the sale of the home. Plus, violators may be ordered to pay the designer's reasonable attorney's fees as well. We try to make all of these policies well known to our customers. We publish our policies on our website. We print them on our order forms in our magazines. We state these policies when you call and place an order over the phone. Our customer service representatives goes over our main policies. And in addition, there's a bright yellow license label on the outside of your package that asks that you read our license and copyright policies prior to opening your plan package. And if that's not enough, even after you open your package and within your plans, there's some documentation that has your license to build and other question and answers in regards to copyright. So I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope that you find this information helpful during your selection and search for a new house design. If you have any questions or concerns about any of the things that I've mentioned, please don't hesitate to call our customer service department at 1-800-388-7580, or you can visit us on our website at dongardner.com. Thank you.